In my previous lecture, I talked about polyalkene and the first type which I discussed was polythene. Today, I will discuss polypropylene and polystyrene. So let's start with polypropylene. As the name suggests, poly means many, propylene means propene molecule. So simply the polymer whose monomer is propylene. Now see, propylene is an organic molecule and it is insoluble in water. So we have to first of all dissolve propylene in normal hexane and then we will mix it with triethyl aluminium at 373 Kelvin and 10 atmospheric pressure. That means in order to prepare polypropylene, we need to take propene molecule. So this is propene molecule. We have to take n such monomers which will polymerize to form CH3CH. Now this double bond gets converted into single bond. Now see, if I will write it this way, it will be difficult for us to understand how the further linkage will take place, because ultimately linkage will be from here. So it is, and of course from this side it will be from here. But it is difficult to understand why the linkage is from this side and this side. So in order to understand this thing, let us draw the structure of propene molecule this way. Now this molecule means n such monomers will polymerize in the presence of triethyl aluminium at 10 atmospheric pressure and 373 Kelvin. It will be forming CH3. Now this one will be connected with this carbon and this double bond gets converted into single bond. So this bond is free. This is free for further linkage to form a polymer. So this is polypropylene molecule. What are the properties and uses? It is harder and tougher than polythene. So it is being used for making seat covers, carpets, and of course robes. Seat covers, carpets and robes. Next molecule is polystyrene molecule. Polystyrene molecule. So in case of polystyrene, poly means many and styrene means styrene molecule. Vinyl benzene is also called styrene. So we have to start from this styrene molecule. We have to take n such monomers which will polymerize in the presence of benzoyl peroxide. And it will be forming polystyrene. Now see, this double bond will be converted into single bond. As a result, this bond is free. This bond is free for further linkage. So this polymer is called a polystyrene molecule, which is a polymer of styrene molecule. Now what are the properties and uses of polystyrene molecule? Polystyrene, it is a thermoplastic, means it can be remolded, thermoplastic, remolded on heating, and it is lighter than water, so it floats over the surface of water. Uses, it is being used for making toys, for making tiles to be used in covering ceilings as well as floors. So toys, in making tiles, and for the manufacturing of lining material for refrigerators and TV cabinets. Lining material for refrigerators or TV cabinets.